2018 Chevy Malibu LT. I'm going to show you quick how to change out the engine air filter. Okay, this is the air filter housing box right here. There's 6 screws holding it. I already started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just loosen those. Okay, loosen those, and then you just gently lift this up. Make sure you take it out, pull the stab out from this notch here, and you don't want to lift it up too much. You can rip the boot. The sensor wires right there. Just lift this up, pull it backwards, lift it up. That's the filter right here. Just take out the filter, put your new one back in. Make sure it seats in firmly. Then you put back the cover. Make sure this notch goes in here. Just push down on it, and then put your screws back. Okay, so you can see the notches back in. It's lined up. Make sure it's sealed properly, and then you screw it back in, nice and snug. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos. Share the video also, and thanks for watching.